Welcome to the VoIP Detective channel, and thanks for watching. We're excited to introduce VoIP Detective 2.1, your simplest, smartest call reporting solution yet for Cisco Call Manager, Cisco Cube, and Cisco Webex Calling. In this release, you'll find powerful new tools that make gathering and sharing phone system insights faster than ever. Report on call volumes, call quality, schedule automated reports, and get alerts on emergency calls. We offer enhanced CSV, Excel, and PDF exports. Share tailored reports with your team in seconds. VoIP Detective is built to fit any organization, big or small. Choose our totally free edition or unlock advanced capabilities with our affordable Pro option. Administrators, managers, and end users alike can pull, filter, and distribute the exact reports they need, no scripting required. Now let's dive into everything new in version 2.1. Webex Calling was added in version 2.0 and is already a big hit. Since adding Webex Calling, we've built upon that success with a powerful new feature in 2.1, the Webex Calling Team Report. Administrators can now group multiple extensions under a single manager account. We now offer comprehensive call metrics. Each report shows inbound and outbound call counts, total talk time, average answer time, and unanswered call totals. We also offer flexible scheduling and delivery. Have your team report delivered by email on your schedule. Choose a concise, top-level summary, or opt for a full per-call breakdown, whatever best fits your workflow. Discover how easy it is to keep every manager in the loop with real-time Webex calling insights. There are many other improvements to our Webex reporting, including a rich admin dashboard. Instantly view your top callers, most frequent errors, preferred device types, and busiest locations, all in one place. We now offer an outbound call report specifically for Webex calling. Analyze your outbound dialing patterns with a dedicated, customizable report. Using the Webex API, you now have the ability to import all usernames, adding actual names to your Webex reports. No more guessing who a number belongs to. Virtual line and workspace insights. We now automatically include Webex virtual lines and workspaces in your reports, so you can get a complete picture of every calling channel. Experience the power of deeper, more actionable Webex calling analytics. There are also more advanced search and filtering with flexible query fields. Administrators can search by calling line ID, called line ID, or associated username, making it easy to pinpoint exactly who you're looking for. There is also now an internal call filter. Include or exclude internal calls with a single toggle so you can focus on precisely the traffic you need. Introducing new granular CUCM reporting controls. Alongside our Webex enhancements, we're proud to unveil powerful new access controls for CUCM reports. There are now global manager restrictions. Grant global manager privileges only over designated extension ranges. No more all or nothing access. Define phone number patterns to limit which lines each manager can report on. A real-world example would be, in our Paris office, every extension is 4XXX. Now Simon Roberts can run any CUCM report, standard or administrative, for Paris extensions only, while other lines remain off-limits. These enhancements ensure compliance and data privacy, while still empowering your managers with the insights they need. A great addition to version 2.1 is enhanced cube reporting. We now offer tailored cube reports. Administrators can now include cube call analytics alongside your other custom reports. Schedule daily or any cadence delivery of cube error call summaries, perfect for a morning status overview. A user wish we granted in this version is H.323 origin filtering. Drill down by call origin type, answer, origin, or callback to focus on precisely the traffic you need. With these upgrades, VoIP Detective makes Cube monitoring effortless, so you never miss a critical issue. Another popular feature request was a per-user report access control. Administrators can now turn off any report for individual users. No more blanket permissions. It also means targeted restrictions. Simply select the user and disable the specific reports you don't want them to have access to. Additional enhancements in 2.1 we think you'll be excited about are customizable email destinations. Administrators now can update the recipient address for any scheduled report. No more hard-coded inboxes. Wildcard SSL certificate support. Secure all your subdomains with a single certificate. VoIP Detective fully supports Wildcard SSL. NTP time synchronization. Keep your server's clock perfectly aligned. VoIP Detective can now sync system time with any NTP server. Microsoft Teams Calling and Beta. We're in active beta for Microsoft Teams Calling integration. Testers can start pulling Teams call data today. We would love your feedback. Current VoIP Detective customers can update easily and in seconds. Just navigate to Administration, Update, and click Update. We've designed the process to be effortless and pain-free. New to VoIP Detective? Download the free edition today. Links are in the video description. Get started instantly, no credit card required. Let us know if you'd like a free pro trial. We are happy to get you set up for a test drive of all our features. Follow us on LinkedIn and all of your favorite social platforms for daily tips, product news, and best practices. We'd love to have you in our community of VoIP detectives.